Open BASSG, Smart Buildings Distribution Company. BASSG is a distributor of Onca Labs Incorporated. Onca Labs is a smart building labs, focused on generating technology, with edge computing methodologies. Onca Labs, Edge Analytics Controller Line, contain controllers, indoor air quality sensors, and power meters, bundled with industry-proven, analytics and clustering technology. Edge computing, with clustering, creates a paradigm shift, where controls, visuals, and analytics are bundled in single device, without sophisticated and legacy IT networks. Leveraging SkySpark's clustering technology, Onca Labs is able to upgrade firmware securely, update controls logic to devices, view, deploy, consume analytics. Onca Labs' security policy is Zero Trust Networks. Provisioning firewall rules, inbound and outbound, has been written within our architecture. Security patches can be applied to all devices with ease. Visit oncalabs.com today.